Seng BJP Club Bthah yaki Dkhot Nongkitkam hagajala bakin ai ke Kyrshan nak Bthah ki Kyrtong ke NDA hasulong betul rasid. Nong ai kitien ke Seng BJP uba M Kharkrang ulaong bakani ke Bthah kalong sha barok ki Dkhot bakin mi patba ban Kyrshan ki Kyrtong ke NDA ha baro artli kisit. Dangshen ke BJP Meghalaya kalarai ban om penyeng Kyrtong ha kini ki arsnem hagajala kalarai ban Kyrshan ya ka parlok NPP ha Meghalaya. Halor kini karai kaladon ka jengi per jengmut na Nongkitkam jong kini ka Seng sain perthei hinre na kaliang uba Kharkrang gula kamba yakini baro lala ben penbet uba Kharkrang ula ong ba ka jengi kren kaladadon menu Bthah ke sorkar hinre mintangi don kampanyo I hadok katnu teli kisit kiba ka BJP kan yo hakini ka kenti ke pemerintah.
And we had given instructions to them to pass on the message to all our supporters, and know that whoever we are supporting now is an NDA candidate. The symbol may be different, but initially there were a lot of resentment and all. But now our workers have come to terms with it, and they have agreed that if that's the instructions that has come from the High Command, so we will abide by it. And now we have asked them to go all out and canvass for the NDA candidate. So for us, it's not NPP, but it's an NDA candidate.